Mike Anton here at the 40th floor of the Duck and Waffle on Bishopsgate in London. And we're just about to go down on the elevator. Look at the view, London by night. A beautiful view. Clear skies. You can see all of London lit up. Here we go. And we're going to see the scenery as we go down. That is if the doors stay open. And just look at this view, folks. Maybe just kneel down here so you can see it. Yeah, you can see our reflections as well. What a view. And I think I can see St. Paul's Cathedral there as well. So we're going all the way down. I probably should time this, how long it takes to get down to the first floor. Well, it didn't take very long, and here we are, Duck and Waffle.